Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amelia Zara Indrama from class 10E2. Today I will present a report text about COVID-19. Check it out.
This is not a test. This is your biohazard warning system. Due to the new COVID-19 virus,
Here with the outbreak of a mystery virus in China.
He has overtaken China to have the world's highest reported death toll from the coronavirus.
All New York City schools shutting down starting tomorrow. 2020 Summer Olympics,
NBA,
Coachella,
European Championship,
NHL,
Eurovision
Boston Marathon
has officially been canceled.
Worldwide total of confirmed COVID-19 cases now surpassing 1 million.
Coronavirus pandemic 2019 until 2020, or known as the COVID-19 pandemic, is the event of the spread of coronavirus 2019 worldwide. The COVID-19 outbreak was first detected in Wuhan City, Hubei Province, China in December 2019 and was declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization on March 11, 2020. Up to March 28, more than 620,000 cases of COVID-19 have been reported in more than 115 countries and territories, resulting in more than 28,800 deaths and 13,700 cures. COVID-19 is thought to spread among people mainly through breathing spark produced during coughing. The spark can also be produced from sneezing and normal breathing. In addition, the virus can spread by touching the surface of contaminated object and touching someone's face. COVID-19 is most contagious when the person suffering from it has symptoms, although the spread may occur before the symptoms appear. The time period between exposure to the virus and the appearance of symptoms is usually around 5 days, but can range from 2 to 14 days. Common symptoms include fever, coughing, and shortness of breath. Complications can include pneumonia and acute respiratory distress syndrome. Recommended preventative measures include washing your hands or using a hand sanitizer, closing your mouth when coughing or wearing a mask, keeping a distance from others, and monitoring and isolating yourself for people who suspect that they are infected. Efforts to prevent the spread of the virus include travel restriction, quarantine, curfew, postponement, and cancellation of events and closure of facilities. Various country border closure or restriction on incoming passengers, screening at airports and train stations, as well as travel information about area with local transmission. School and university have been closed and are doing online learning. This pandemic has caused global socio-economic disruption, postponement or cancellation of sporting and cultural events, and widespread concern about shortage of goods, which have prompted panic-buying communities. Okay guys, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye!